The Campfire Giant Roasters Marshmallows. They make the perfect campfire snack. Enormous in both size and in flavour, a sweet treat on any camping adventure or just sitting around the backyard campfire. So now it's time to roast your marshmallows. We recommend the safest way to do this is to use an extendable fork. These are available at all Tentworld stores. The fire should be very low, or if possible just hot coals. You need to turn the fork around a few times and get the marshmallow quite warm, and this should make the perfect roasted marshmallow. Available now in all Tentworld stores or online. The kids will love them.